Good afternoon, ma'am. Hello.
Myself, Meenu from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback interview from yourself. Can you
Okay.
introduce about yourself, sir?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. So, I'm Somnath. I have completed my graduation from VT University from Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, Bidar. So, I have worked since 1 year as a site engineer in Bidar only. I got the reference about CMTI through my friend Netal.
Okay.
So, I saw her working as an professionally in interior designing. So, I choose to be an interior designer. So, I came recently in 1 month. So I talked about I saw the institute. So these are very helpful people here. So yeah,
Yeah,
now
that
I
was
joined as an interior designer.
yeah.
Then I got placed in the nice company. Yeah,
Okay. So, how was the coordination by the staff so that you
the
can tell?
staffs are very good. As I took the online course, and the online I saw all the videos and I studied about the interior designing. Then if we have any doubts there, then we can contact them directly and we can clear our doubts now.
Okay. How was the CMTI app worked and how was the
App
thing?
was very good, ma'am. Yeah, we
Yeah.
can see the videos and we can download it and we can see them anytime when we want. It is helpful, ma'am.
So, you will be referring to Prajna Engineering Solutions to your
Yeah,
friends. Would you like to refer?
definitely, definitely. I will refer my friends and my future colleagues also. Okay.
Sure. Sure, Sonna. That was a wonderful feedback. So, all the best for your future career. So,
Thank you, ma'am.
yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.